The Xiaomi 15 Ultra, poised to be Xiaomi's flagship smartphone for 2025, is generating significant anticipation due to its impressive array of features and cutting-edge technology. Building upon the successes of its predecessors, this device aims to set new benchmarks in mobile innovation. One of the most striking aspects of the Xiaomi 15 Ultra is its design, which draws inspiration from classic Leica cameras. The rear panel showcases a dual-tone finish, combining materials such as glass and vegan leather, evoking a sense of nostalgia while maintaining modern aesthetics. This homage to Leica is further emphasized by the prominent Leica branding on the expansive circular camera module, which occupies a significant portion of the upper back of the device. This design not only enhances the phone's visual appeal, but also underscores the deepening collaboration between Xiaomi and the renowned German optics company. At the heart of the Xiaomi 15 Ultra lies the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, a powerhouse processor engineered to deliver exceptional performance across a multitude of tasks. This advanced chipset ensures that users experience seamless multitasking, rapid application launches, and smooth performance in graphically demanding games. Complementing the processor is a substantial 6,000 mAh battery, designed to provide extended usage without frequent recharging. To address the need for quick power top-ups, the device supports 90W wired charging, allowing for rapid replenishment of the battery. Additionally, 50W wireless charging offers a convenient and efficient alternative for users who prefer a cable-free experience. The display of the Xiaomi 15 Ultra is nothing short of spectacular. It features a 6.8-inch AMOLED LTPO panel with a micro-quad curved design, delivering a visually immersive experience. The screen boasts a 2K resolution, ensuring crisp and detailed visuals, while the 120Hz refresh rate provides smooth scrolling and fluid animations, enhancing both gaming and everyday use. This combination of high resolution and rapid refresh rate ensures that users enjoy a premium viewing experience, whether they're watching high-definition videos, browsing the web, or engaging in mobile gaming. Photography enthusiasts will find the Xiaomi 15 Ultra particularly appealing, thanks to its state-of-the-art camera system. The device is equipped with a quad-camera setup, meticulously engineered to cater to a wide range of photographic scenarios. The primary sensor is a 50MP Sony LYT-900 with a 1-inch type sensor, offering an aperture of f/1.6. This configuration is designed to capture stunning images with exceptional clarity and detail, even in challenging lighting conditions. Accompanying the main camera is a 50MP ultra-wide-angle lens, ideal for capturing expansive landscapes and group shots without compromising image quality. For portrait photography and subjects at varying distances, the device includes a 50MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, utilizing the Sony IMX858 sensor. However, the standout feature of this camera system is the 200MP periscope telephoto lens, which offers a 4.3x optical zoom. This lens is powered by the Samsung HP9 sensor and is designed to capture distant subjects with remarkable clarity and precision, making it an invaluable tool for wildlife photography, sports events, and other scenarios where getting close to the subject is not feasible. In terms of software, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra runs on HyperOS 2.0, which is based on Android 15. This operating system is optimized to provide a seamless and intuitive user experience, with a focus on efficiency and user-friendly navigation. HyperOS 2.0 introduces a range of features designed to enhance productivity, customization, and overall device performance, ensuring that users have access to the latest advancements in mobile software technology. Connectivity options on the Xiaomi 15 Ultra are comprehensive, catering to the needs of modern users. The device supports dual nano SIM cards and includes eSIM functionality, providing flexibility for users who require multiple lines or travel frequently. Additionally, the phone is equipped with two-way satellite communication capabilities, ensuring that users remain connected even in areas with limited or no cellular coverage. This feature is particularly beneficial for outdoor enthusiasts, professionals working in remote locations, or individuals who prioritize reliable communication in emergency situations. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra is expected to make its debut in China by the end of February 2025, with a global launch anticipated to follow shortly thereafter. Industry observers speculate that the device may be showcased at the Mobile World Congress, MWC, in Barcelona, scheduled for early March 2025. This global event would provide Xiaomi with a prominent platform to introduce the 15 Ultra to international markets, highlighting its innovative features and solidifying its position as a leader in the premium smartphone segment. In summary, The Xiaomi 15 Ultra represents a significant leap forward in smartphone technology, combining a meticulously crafted design with top-tier hardware and software features. Its Leica-inspired aesthetics, powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, expansive and vibrant display, and versatile camera system make it a compelling choice for consumers seeking a premium mobile experience. As Xiaomi continues to push the boundaries of innovation, the 15 Ultra stands as a testament to the company's commitment to delivering devices that meet and exceed the expectations of discerning users worldwide.